saxophone sound. It's quite simple because it's only involving two simple steps, right? And step one is the voice. Step two is the shape of your mouth. So let's get on to it. Step one, you gotta sound like a turtle making love. So it will sound like this. Breathy voice. Step two is the weirdest thing ever. So all you gotta do is to have this weirdest facial expression, almost like a meme face, but not really. But you gotta sacrifice some things for an amazing sound. So it will look like that. Now what you gotta do is to just adjust the voice and the shape of your mouth until you get a human saxophone sound. For example. There we go. And once you're able to do the saxophone, you can put it on the beat like there you have it, the human saxophone sound. I wish you guys the best of luck and see you guys next time on my tutorial.